my name is Mwape, a senior public prosecutor for the National Prosecution Authority stationed at Ndola. My duty is usually to prosecute matters and to advise legal enforcement officers. I wish first of all to express my gratitude to be part of this engagement meeting that was held today. Also, the gratitude goes to my employer to ask me to represent the National Prosecution Authority. Okay, through this engagement meeting that we had today, and particularly on diversion, I've learned that it is a critical subject that needs to be properly understood. Because if you properly engaged, you find that you have little or no cases at court. So from this meeting, I've learned that all stakeholders must be engaged. The police, once they have a matter involving a child, they must engage the stakeholders like the social welfare officers and other parties, including members from the Advocates for Child Justice. So my takeaway is that we need to work together. Also, National Prosecution Authority employees must be able to have a backup to the law enforcement officers. Should they feel they need to consult, we should be ready to give them the advice that is needed. The procedure usually, once an arresting officer or a dealing officer has compiled a docket, they forward to National Prosecution Authority. Before we take the matter to court, we have to ensure that everything has been done according to the law. Now, when we receive a matter or a docket involving a child, we have to check from that record, was diversion engaged? If diversion was not engaged, then we may advise the officers, depending on the circumstances, to say, you may consider diverting this matter. And we do so by writing a legal opinion to the law enforcement officers. Where it fails, that is when now we push the matter to court. So there's need also to consider the victims so that every party can appreciate diversion. It should not only work well for a child offender, but also for the victim. So that is what I can say.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.